wow, I really like it. And if you would like, you can also come and have a feel of it.
For us, we came up with a biodegradable plastic.
As they're coming, we have a team of adjudicators who are
as the children and the parents and the citizens to also protect the
fine-tuning them, the songs. We shall do production and be able to have fine product. In this team, a hybrid approach where we combine, you express interest, then we come to be able to submit. But that still was not forthcoming. We had to visit the individual, and then we shall get partners that will take them to a different level. With that, I want to take the opportunity of
polythene bags. So, having a notice, in our school we have over 2,500 students. And everyone, my name is Mojuse Sudais, a student at St. Charles Ranga, SS Bukere.
Accumulation of these plastic wastes like the polythene bag.
Good afternoon. We use over 4
Mukono Municipal SNE.
The climate change department is entrusted in making sure we have programs. We have
this to enhance the water bottles by making this plastic seat, and we finally.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We found this by noticing that they always litter the compound and make it dirty, and also these water bottles run up to the gardens where
we had cornerstone, we had royal palm, we had kati. I request Kati to stand up. The minister called, but I'm glad these schools have showed up. We have Mukono High. We have the program of Greater Kampala Urban Development Program is a success. And this is one of our flagship programs in Mukono.
Most especially for the invite of Rotary
projects and songs and poems, and we believe we're going to refine this and take them to the next level.
We are going to form a gel-like structure from the start. So we first cause gelatinization of the starch by heating it up to about 80 degrees Celsius. And then since there is already citric in the various polymers that have been broken down. So in that way, we are converting what has been starch that we can obtain from corn and other.
3 projects submitted. And the message we are passing across was identify a problem.
Simply because this is a plastic that can be broken down by the enzymes that are actively in soil.
It was helpful to provide an acidic medium for the working of the glycerol, and then the starch.
The 2,500 students have said we collect about 2,900 bottles, so we are able to come up with 6 chairs of such kind. We use 50 polythene bags to come up with 1 cushion. That means that 100 can give rise to 2. Now we all remember the memorable year of 2024, where at Tezi in Wakiso district, central Uganda, froze due to the massive landslide that happened, which gave rise to about 35 people who died. And this was due to accumulation of wastes. So if we come together and we bring things of such kind, we will prevent such circumstances that happen. Now, my dear judges,
of change, people are throwing waste in drainages. Don't be part of it. People are littering all over. You showed us. Don't be part of it. Be change agents wherever you go. Okay? When you see people littering around, advise them. Don't fear people like us. Eh? When you see me littering, come and say, Mom, this is not good. You are destroying our future.
In the morning, children, the environment is where we live and where we play. And it gives us clean air that we breathe, the water that we drink, the food that we eat, and the trees that provide us with the shades, and we enjoy all that beauty. You've demonstrated that it is our responsibility, but that you can also make a difference by doing just a few simple things. Keep your school clean and your home clean as well. Do not throw rubbish on the ground. Plant and care for trees. Save water, protect those beautiful flowers and birds and animals that we keep in our homes. And when we do these small things together, we shall make our environment cleaner, healthier, and I believe we shall also be a happy people.
They told us it was a bottle. For me, I'm seeing a flower vase. So how much more can we do? Can we transform in our what we call rubbish? How much more can we change if we put down our titles, if we put down our names, and we all fought to protect the nation Uganda and our homes and our families? And I want to really thank the people that planned this, because this message, when you teach a child, you've taught a nation. If you transform a child, you've transformed a nation. And I'm very glad when I'm dealing with little children.
Twakola strategy yaffe twagala kati bino bye biri mu strategy twateekamu behavior change, twateekamu okuba tusomesa abantu kati bino bye tubadde tukola nti abaana kati bafuse bambasada okugenda okusomesa abantu nga basomesa okusinzira ku ngeri gye bategeeramu ensonga. Ekirala tulowooza nti bwe tufuna abapartners abatukwatiraku kati waliwo waliwo ekizibu ekiri ku Mukono High nti ekisaawe balina amazzi agava toilet bagateeka mu soketi zajjula ezibeera saturated, beetaaga okufuna tekinologi asobola okubayamba. Kati tukozesa search engagements tefuna abapartners abatusobola okutukwatirako okusobola okuba nga tufuna solution ezigenda okuyamba abantu baffe kuba nti babeera mu kitundu kyabwe nga beeyaka.
Eddan Kibuka Kiguli nga ndi kalondoozi wa Butonde. Leero tubadde wano Mukono Municipal Council ng'abaana boolesa mu bitone n'okuyiiya ku ngeri basobola okukozesaamu ebintu byetukubeera nabyo ewaka ne Kasasiro okutereeza obutonde ate n'okulaba nga tewali nkyukakyuka ya budde. Tuli basanyufu nti abaana bakoze ebintu bingi okuli bw'oyingira mu nnyumba kye bayita domat kugula luggi, bakoze amayumba gennyini engeri gye tuyinza okugalagamu oba modelinga nga abakubi ba maapu nga bakozesa ebintu nga bino era bye tuba tusudde nga kitulaze nti bintu bingi bye tusobola okukola mu bintu ebiva mu Kasasiro ate nga bya muwendo ate bya kitiibwa. So abaana tubeebaza bakoze n'ennyimba, bayimbye ennyimba, bakoze n'ebitontome mu ngeri gye bayinza okukumamu obutonde ate n'okulaba nga bo bennyini bye basomye babiteeka mu nkola kye bayita project work.